Let's talk about In-N-Out, a burger that's become a legend. It's more than just a meal. It's a rite of passage for burger lovers everywhere, a symbol of West Coast culture, and a taste that sparks nostalgia for anyone who's ever had one. People drive for miles and wait in long lines for its simple perfection. The anticipation builds as you inch closer to the window, knowing what's coming is worth every second. The menu is small, but every item is a masterpiece. There's no need for endless options, just the essentials done right every single time. Fresh ingredients made with care. This isn't just fast food, it's an experience. Every tomato is sliced to order, every leaf of lettuce crisp, every bun perfectly toasted. Today we're recreating that magic in your own kitchen. The secret? Consistency. It's about bringing that same attention to detail to every burger you make. Every bite, juicy patty, crisp lettuce, ripe tomato, toasted bun, and that iconic spread comes together in perfect harmony. It's a symphony of flavors and textures. We're not just making a burger, we're unlocking a secret. The double-double is more than a recipe. It's a formula for happiness. Forget the lines and drive-through. Your kitchen is the new In-N-Out. You're about to bring that legendary taste home. No road trip required. Many try to copy this burger, but few get the details right. It's the little things that separate the imitators from the real deal. It's about the beef, the bun, the spread. Every detail matters. The right cheese, the right sear, the right order of assembly. We'll obsess over every step. No shortcuts. Because greatness is in the details, and we're here to get it right. This is about making the best burger, period. Not just good, legendary. Ready to stop dreaming and start cooking? Let's turn that craving into reality. At the end, you'll have a burger that rivals the original. Maybe even better, because you made it yourself. This is a skill for life, a very tasty one. Impress your friends, treat yourself, and savor every bite. Let's get our hands dirty and make something unapologetically delicious. Don't be afraid of a little mess. Perfection is worth it. The ultimate homemade burger awaits. Let's do this. Your double-double legend starts now. First, let's talk about the essentials, the building blocks of a truly great burger. Every element matters, and each one brings something special to the table. For the patties, use 80-20 ground chuck. That means 80% lean beef and 20% fat. The fat is what gives your burger its juicy, mouth-watering flavor, so don't skimp on it. When it comes to seasoning, keep it simple. Just salt and freshly cracked black pepper. That's all you need to let the beef shine. For cheese, go with classic American. It melts perfectly, creating that gooey, creamy layer that's essential for a classic burger experience. Choose classic hamburger buns, soft, squishy, and slightly sweet. Skip the fancy artisan breads. You want something that hugs the patty and soaks up all the flavors. For toppings, use crisp iceberg lettuce for crunch, a ripe, juicy tomato, and a white onion. Slice it thin for a sharp bite, or grill it for a mellow sweetness. Now, the secret spread: mix mayonnaise, ketchup, sweet pickle relish, a splash of white vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and a dash of paprika. This sauce ties everything together with a tangy, creamy kick. Don't settle for store-bought sauce. Making it yourself is quick, easy, and so much tastier. You'll notice the difference in every bite. Let's recap. 80-20 ground chuck, salt, pepper, American cheese, soft hamburger buns, iceberg lettuce, tomato, white onion, mayo, ketchup, relish, vinegar, sugar, and paprika. Each ingredient plays a role in building the perfect burger. Always choose the best quality ingredients you can find. Freshness and quality make a huge difference, and your burger will absolutely thank you for it. With these ingredients, you're laying the foundation for burger greatness. Get ready for something truly delicious. Preparation is everything. For lettuce, use whole, crisp leaves, don't shred. Wash and dry them well for crunch. Slice tomato thick, one perfect slice per burger. Slice onion thin for a sharp bite, or grill for sweetness. Now, the buns, open them up and toast in a buttered skillet until golden. This keeps them from getting soggy and adds flavor. Set aside your toasted buns, lettuce, tomato, and onion. Everything is prepped and ready, mise en place. Now, let's focus on the star, the beef patties. Time for the meat. Use 80-20 ground chuck, don't overwork it. Divide into 4-ounce portions for classic patties. For a double-double, make 2 patties per burger. Gently form loose balls, then press into thin patties, slightly wider than the bun. Season both sides with salt and pepper just before cooking. Don't season ahead, keep them juicy. Get your skillet or griddle hot, add a little oil. High heat gives you that perfect sear, the Maillard reaction. Your patties are ready for the fire. Every legendary burger needs a secret sauce. In-N-Out's spread is iconic and easy to make. In a bowl, combine half a cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 tablespoon sweet pickle relish, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, and a pinch of sugar. Add a dash of paprika if you like. Mix until smooth and pinkish orange. Taste, creamy, tangy, a little sweet. Let it sit for a few minutes to meld flavors. Make it ahead if you want, but fresh is best. This spread is your secret weapon. Use it generously. The moment of truth is here. It's time to cook and build your burger masterpiece. All your prep work comes together now, so get ready for some magic in the kitchen. Sear your burger patties on a hot skillet. Listen for that satisfying sizzle as the meat hits the pan. This is where flavor starts to build. Press down gently with a spatula to create a great crust, locking in juices and flavor. Cook each side for about 60 to 90 seconds, just until you see that beautiful brown crust form. After flipping, immediately top each patty with a slice of classic American cheese. The heat will help it melt perfectly. Let the cheese melt as the second side cooks, turning gooey and irresistible. This is what makes every bite so satisfying. If you want extra flavor, grill some onions in the same pan. Let them caramelize until golden and sweet, adding a rich, savory note to your burger. Now, it's time for assembly. Spread your secret sauce generously on the top bun. This is where your burger gets its signature taste. For that classic animal-style twist, add a swirl of mustard to the bottom bun if you like a tangy kick. Layer on your toppings, onions, either raw or grilled, juicy tomato slices, crisp lettuce, and finally, stack your cheesy patties high. Crown your creation with the sauce top bun, sealing in all those delicious layers. Press gently, admire your work, and get ready to enjoy your homemade double-double, crafted to perfection just for you. You've built a monument to flavor, now eat it immediately. The cheese is melted, patties juicy, toppings crisp, perfect harmony. Serve right away for peak deliciousness. Pair with classic fries, a cold soda, or a thick milkshake. Share with friends and family. Burgers are meant for company. Watch their faces as they take that first bite. This is more than a meal, it's an accomplishment. Your kitchen is now the hottest burger spot in town. Take a bow, you've earned it. Now go cook, make a mess, and enjoy every juicy, cheesy, saucy bite. You deserve it.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.